Hi guys, today we are going to be showing you how to use your Apple CarPlay. Right now we are in a Mitsubishi Eclipse Cross, but all of our models do have Apple CarPlay available. Apple CarPlay is a software interface that connects a user's iPhone with a car's infotainment display. To use Apple CarPlay, you will need your Siri to be activated. First, you're going to plug in your phone to the USB port. Then the Apple CarPlay screen will appear on your phone and on the vehicle display. You can then click on the Apple CarPlay on the vehicle touchscreen. You can go ahead and rearrange your apps to how you prefer them in your phone settings. Using Apple CarPlay, you can receive or make phone calls, send text messages, listen to your favorite music, and map out your destination, all hands-free. Here, I'll answer this text with you.
Friend said, "Hi, are you on your way? Would you like to reply?"
Yes.
What do you want to say?
I'll be there in 10 minutes.
Your message says I'll be there in 10 minutes. Ready to send it?
Yes.
Okay, it's sent.
Perfect. Now, to disconnect your phone, simply unplug the USB port. And that's how easy it is to use your Apple CarPlay.